welcome to LNS Peripherals 101. LNS chip conveyors are designed to operate in harsh environments and through the life of the conveyor. It may be necessary at some point to replace a conveyor belt or a section of the conveyor belt. In this episode, we will show you how to access, disconnect, and reconnect the conveyor belt to allow removal and installation of the belt through the discharge of the conveyor.
To disconnect and reconnect the belt, firstly remove the drive covers from the discharge of the chip conveyor. Through the bearing slot at the discharge, ensure that the pin with the connecting split pin is visible by rotating the belt until it is clearly accessible through the bearing slot. Then, using a pair of pincers, snip the link pin and remove it from the hole within the link pin of the chip conveyor belt and remove the washer. You will need to remove the motor of the chip conveyor. This can be done by removing the two bolts, securing the mounting plate for the motor to the bearing bracket, and sliding the motor off the drive shaft. Loosen the bearing at the bearing bracket. Loosen the lock nut from the adjusting screw and release the tension on the belt. Next, remove the end cover discharge, giving full access to the belt of the discharge. With both bearing mounts free of tension, you should be able to remove the pin through the slot at the discharge as shown, using a pair of pliers, and this will release the belt. The belt is now split. To reconnect, push the two ends of the belt together as shown, aligning the knuckles, holding in place. You can use a clamp to hold these while you reconnect the belt sections. To reassemble, align the link plates, putting through the link pin, putting the roller, through the side wing, hold it just off, put in place the hinge plate, aligning the two belt sections, pushing the pin through, Repeating the sequence on the opposite side until the pin is fully visible with the hole in place. Using a split pin, insert this through the hole of the link pin, ensuring it is fully through. Curl around the split pin on both sides. Making sure each lug is out of the way. Your belt is now reconnected. Put the motor back in place, ensuring the key is in position. Slide the motor onto the dry shaft. Align the holes in the mounting bracket. Insert and connect the screws. Retension the belt as shown in the tensioning belt video. And you can now reinsert the covers of the chip conveyor. Your conveyor is now ready to run.
Thank you for watching this episode of LNS Peripherals 101. I hope it has helped you increase your machine tool efficiency. If you have any questions about any LNS products or if you'd like us to consider other video topics in the future, please let us know.